Alright, so it might be a bit windy.
It's okay right now, but give it, yeah, it's coming.
It's coming. I don't know if they can hear us. We have just finished at
Trial tuning shop.
If you haven't checked that video out, check it out, it's below. We're now on our way to visit AS Color.
AS Color?
AS, which is Auto Select Tuning House.
Yeah.
Wow, that's windy. They're not going to hear anything.
I think it's actually Auto Select Tuning Magic.
Tuning Magic, because they make magic.
You're a wizard, Harry.
So what they focus on is mainly GTRs. So we're hoping we're going to see something cool.
Baby, I'm wasted. All I wanna do is drive home to you, baby. I'm faded.
The stone chips on this car are actually pretty cool because they show that behind this is carbon fiber. It's not just FRP front bar or plastic front bar.
And the car actually gets driven hard.
It gets driven hard. That's sick. They're very cool.
Baby, I'm wasted. All I wanna do is drive home to you, baby.
You know a car's serious when it has as much ducting as that R34 does to the front wheels.
Ducting everywhere.
When it's got that much ducting, it means it gets very hot and needs cooling because it's going that damn fast.
Like, if you look underneath,
Yeah.
apart from the ducting, you just see that everything is like had a complete overhaul.
Yeah, it's pristine.
Every component's been changed.
Nothing's stock on there. What a beast. Oil filter relocator kit, very good. Look how easy that is. The RB26 is known for having a shitty oil filter where you actually have to replace it. It's very hard to get down to. So that under there in the wheel well would save you a lot of time.
Such a fucking home. Such a fucking home. Such a fucking home. Such a fucking home.
So I've just noticed that on the other side of the hoist, there's a sticker that says no photos.
I don't even see it.
Yeah, old mate working here, absolute top bloke. Yeah, that's fine, take photos. Where are you from? Australia? Cool.
So another thing we've noticed is that in Japan, most of the GTRs you see, they're not set up for drag like they are back in Australia. They're all for like tractors.
Yeah, in Australia, if you see something that's got big power, it's just for the drags.
It's just a straight line machine, but these you can just tell from everything, all the race parts and all that stuff, it's just made for proper circuit use. So
They focus not just on the engine, but on every single aspect of the car. So he's just dropped it to show us the engine.
yeah, he's kind of seen that we've been taking photos and stuff. He's nice enough to drop it down off the hoist and pop the hood.
Oh wow. Boss.
So they've even got their little own hand-built stickers that they slap on every.
That's pretty cool.
R26.
Every engine they build, they put their own.
It's like the R35. How they do it.
It's pretty much a Pagani. It's pretty much a Pagani. Pagani's got the same thing.
Look at that. Damn
That's
drop
awesome.
race.
Yeah, this is cool.
Huge.
This is very cool.
So another trend I've noticed is that they really like the that brushed aluminium look on the rocker cover.
I enjoy it. I enjoy it too. That's pretty nice. It's nice when you see like a purple rocker cover or some wacky color, pink.
Yeah.
Like that. It just looks like a purpose-built machine.
I really like it.
Look at all these rivets. So we've just asked what these rivets are for because we notice all these rivets everywhere.
I'm used to seeing like tack welds, stuff like that for chassis reinforcement.
This is how they do it.
What they're for, yeah.
Is there anything on the other side?
Yeah, you can actually see the rivets through.
But is it connecting with any other piece of metal between them, or is it just?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, so each of them have bits of metal going between them.
Yep, that like join the panels together.
Yeah.
Make it even stiffer.
Awesome.
Such a fucking home.
Another thing I just noticed. Would you call this a big shop? It's not really that big a shop, correct?
Tiny.
Pretty small. So when a shop this small has its own dyno, four-wheel dyno, you know it means business. You know, they could have skimped out. They could have gone on a 2-wheel, put the cars in rear-wheel drive. They could have just not gotten a dyno.
It's just one it up for me, one up.
But, you know, that's how they mean business. And like this GTR as well, that means business, dang. It's a really well put together shop. Good cars, good people who work here. It's just cool. Do you want to tell them the coolest thing about AS?
Look down. Hey.
There's a shop dog, away Marana. Yeah, everyone loves a doggy. Everyone loves a doggy.
Oh, go Honda.
Hey doggy. Alright, so that is it for Auto Select
Tuning Magic.
Tuning Magic.
Yeah.
What a great shop. You know, it was cool cars and stuff, but then what made it even better was how cool the guy was that worked there and how he, you know, made time for us, put the car down, showed us the car, explains those rivets, things like that.
Yeah, I guess they kind of get excited when they see people from overseas come and check out their shop.
Yeah.
It's kind of a nice gesture, and yeah, it's cool. They want to show you the cars.
They really appreciate it, eh?
Yeah.
And it's cool also that there was, I find it really cool, there was a sign that specifically said no photos, yet he was...
It was all for us taking
100%
photos.
happy with it. So yeah, if you're in the area, if you're in Osaka...
Well, it's actually right around, if you're going to come to Trial, it's literally
around the corner from
5-minute walk, not even
I'm gonna say
Trial.
it was cooler than Trial.
Cooler than Trial.
Trial was cool. Trial's very commercial. This is more of still...
It's more authentic.
Yeah, it's more authentic. An old mate just working away in his garage. It's sick.
Love it.
Alright, see you next time. So Driller, update.
Yeah.
We were just heading back from AS Colour, also known as Auto Select Tuning.
A 15-minute walk because there's like no taxis out here.
That day, for no particular reason, I decided to go for a little run.
But we stumbled upon something called Superhero, which we haven't heard of before.
But we're seeing some
And
pretty
it's
cool
pretty
things.
sick. Integra Type R back there. Then we got the convertible S13, a couple of Z32s, A111, and then this is the one that sold us. 240 ZG. And it's raining, but we don't even care. That is sick. Well, that was cool. But now it's so damn hot. And we're running late to get our Shinkansen. Let's hope we make it.
No taxi in sight. And we're
Alright.
a fucking 40-minute walk.
That's U&A things.
Leave it to the last minute.
See you next time.
Love.